We're going to be doing one right now. Who keep requesting that I do a side part wolf cut? Today you're in luck. It is probably the most requested alternative of wolf cut that I get asked on my channel, and I'm so surprised that I've never done it before. So we're going to get straight into the section pattern. So there's the back section put in to a pony. Just brushing the hair over the top of that side part. Now if you look at it from an aerial point of view, you've got the standard one at the back and you've got the asymmetric just off center. So we need to take into account how much we're going to be cutting off to then create the balance. So let's get straight into the haircut. So I'm just going to grab my Matsu scissors, and then we're going to look at where we want this to fall. We don't want to cut it up into here because you'll end up with the side fringe potentially coming up here. We'd probably want it to start around the eyebrow and come across the eye, which would then in turn give us this through here. So bridge of the nose just there. I'm just pulling down until my hand rests in the bridge of the nose, and then we're just going to elevate, and I'm going to point cut. I'm taking it off there like that, and then just comb that so I can just really deep point cut, as I always do, into this section. Because in salon, when I'm doing this, I'll be working at a side parting and I'll be elevating the hair, over directing the hair to create this look, but I'll be doing it in smaller sections, which gives me the ability to really texturize it, do it quite blunt. Let's look at this top ponytail. And people often ask, how do you get the measurements between them both? In salon, what we would tend to do is we would take a piece of that guide from here at the back of the ponytail or back of the section, and then bring it back into this section and then use that as our guide. Let me see if I can just pull out. There we go. So there's our guide, but there we go. There's that guide. So that's the length at the front. So if we pull this up and meet that guide, which is just there poking up, I'm going to hold it with my thumb and I'm just going to come up to the top of it. Let's just release that guide, and I'm just point cutting across there. Find my guide and blend it in with the back section. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pull these ponytails out, give it a shake, we'll have a look at it, and then I'll get it a little bit styled so you can see. So this front ponytail, pull it out. So let's take out this top ponytail, and look at that. You've got beautiful connection from the front section into that back section. So we like to give it a little shake. Just to have a little look at it. That's enough, I think. So there we go, that is it just rough for you. So you can really start to see how a wolf cut with a side part would look. You've got this beautiful heavy fringe through there. And then here, so we've got that beautiful side fringe working through there. This is just beautifully balanced using the same technique, but just slightly manipulating the partings. Just maybe like a little bit of a bend or something like that. You can see there, beautiful layers, as we'd expect. If you understand hair cutting in the sense of knowing where hair's pulled through, cut to, left, falls from, then you'll be able to cut hair and really understand, which is why I love to bring you these ponytail haircut videos, because it breaks it down so quickly, so simply, and it just gives you a really, really cool result. And there we have it, guys. That is the finished result. So we did the tiny bit of just soft tonging, just to create a little bit of heat, a little bit of movement in there. But you can see that's what the side part looks like. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. If this has helped you understand a side part shag haircut, butterfly haircut, wolf haircut, that little bit better, I'd love to know. But you want to see the 360. There it all is. And I think it looks really cool. So if you're contemplating a wolf cut, shag, butterfly cut with a side part, you can have it. Take this to your stylist. Or, I know some of you out there, do try it yourself. So let me know in the comments. Tag me on Instagram, which is paulwatts.life, paulwattshair. We're on TikTok as well. Click that join button down below, see what else we've got to offer. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next video.